Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Jordan here again. So after the Bradang village, we are right now we are moving forward to another village. Let's see which village is it. Yeah, let's go. So I salute to those workers here who made this road. So we are on the way to our next village. Yeah, let's see what we will find there. But before that, let me show you some what to say. I don't know what to say. To see it. Look at this rock. I mean, के भन्नु छ हजुरलाई?
मलाई के भन्नु छ भने चाहिँ हाम्रो यो के भनौँ भाइ के भनौँ हाम्रो हिमालको लागि हो अब के नि हाम्रो हिमालको लागि म यता पुरै हिमाल र म को सेतो छ भन्नको लागि प्रुफ गर्नको लागि चाहिँ म यता बसिरहेको छु त्यो हो अब.
So after half an hour of walk from Bradang village, we have reached this most famous place in Pisang, which is called the Heaven's Gate. May I present you Heaven's Gate. In Nepali it's called Swargadwar. Yep, here it is. This is the Heaven Gate. Yep. So yeah, that was the Heaven's Gate. I'm sure it looks like Heaven's Gate, right? It's so beautiful. Yeah. Very special one. Yep, let's go. Let's move forward. We have more things to see. Yep, let's go. So we are in the middle of jungle and yeah, we have been walking. It's good, it's silent in here, peaceful. So we rest for a few minutes. We had some biscuits. So and moving again. Yeah. So after walking like 40 minutes from the Heaven's Gate, we have reached next village. Yep, this village is called Dukur Pohari, Pisang. So right now we are in Dukur Pohari. Let me show you how it looks. And that's the Heaven's Gate. Yep. One of the most beautiful thing you can see. So we had tea, milk tea. It was good and it was expensive, like 100 rupee for 1 cup of milk tea. And yeah, so it was worth it. Yep. So now moving forward to the there's a lake, I think small lake. Yeah, so let's go. So there's a Pokhari lake called Dukur and Dukur Pohari, yeah. So we are going there and hopefully we could click some beautiful videos of Dukur Pohari. Yeah. Seems like we are already here. This is the Dukur Pohari. Man, I'm so happy. It's so beautiful moment. Yeah, we are here. We are going to spend some time here. We will click some videos. Yep, let's go. Would say he's acting like that because he's so happy. Yeah, anyone would be like that crazy, right? I mean,
Because I saw Sargadwar.
I mean, look at this place, man. Everyone will go crazy. कस्तो भइरहेछ?
के भनौँ यार, सक्दै छैन गाइस, के भनौँ म तपाईँलाई यार, यस्तो के यस्तो.
So guys, we have took a lot of videos of this Dukur Pohari, and so yeah, it was very good. It feels very well, very good. Yeah.
You see
So
that what's hill? That's this is what Sargadwar. Nepali it's Nepali. That is Sargadwar, yaar.
yeah.
You came to here. No, there was income.
So now we are moving towards the Pisang village, and we will have lunch there. So yeah, let's go. सत्य भन्छु तिमी भए सास चल्छ मेरो हाँसी खुसी दिन नि रात ढल्छ मेरो तिमी टाढा भयौ भने खुसीहरू तिमी बाहेक कोही पनि सोच्दिन म अरू सोच्दिन अरू हे मेरो हजुर हे मेरो हजुर. So guys, we are on the way to Pisang. So I wanted to show that back there. That is, Heaven's Gate, and it looks more and more beautiful. The further and further you go, it looks more beautiful and more beautiful. It's amazing. My friend has climbed this cliff and he's been insisting me, calling me to take his picture. It's better be good. Yep, it is good.
Top of a hill, up of a hill. Woo!
Yeah. Yep. We are on the way to the Upper Pisang. Yeah. The word itself said Upper Pisang, so it's going all the way to up and up and up. Yep. That is the Lower Pisang. That's in the Lower Pisang. So this is the location map of Upper Pisang. So we have arrived the Upper Pisang. So yeah, let's go. So we will have our lunch in this Upper Pisang, and then our next destination seems to be the place called Gyaru. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, we are waiting for our lunch. Till then, this is not just noodles but special noodle of Manang, and this is our lunch today. So the grandpa who came with us has got a new job as a shepherd, and he will be staying there in Upper Pisang. And me and my friend Ekon, we are descending to the lower Pisang. Yep, so let's go. Still long way to go, so we are going to that village. From there we'll move forward to Homde, Braga, and then Manang. So we have reached the Lower Pisang. Yep. Oh, it's slippery. Trial information via Gyaru Upper Trial. Moving forward from Lower Pisang to Homde.